have been on the hunt and trying to find things that will give us that like luxury vibe without breaking bank. Hello guys, it's your girl Nurse Kirsten and we are back with another video. So today is another one of those unboxing videos, and I know I have a Jimmy Choo shopping bag with me right now, but
that's not what we're unboxing. We have something else completely different inside. I originally bought them online at Neiman when they had their like end of the year / January sale,
and I didn't get a shopping bag with it, so I have to use this one now. Anytime you purchase during like a big sale, it is gonna take a while in shipping, so I would say shipping honestly took like 2 to 3 weeks.
But anytime that I purchased from them before, it was like within a week. So when I purchased these products, I really got them for a good deal because they were already on sale, and then they were doing an additional like 25% off. But then after I already paid it, like literally a week later, it hasn't even come in yet, but they dropped the prices even more, or like added a bigger percent off, so it became an additional 30% off. I
went over to like customer service online. I'm like, hey, I haven't even received the products yet, but the prices have already changed. Is there any way you can price match it or price adjust? And they easily did it.
Yeah, it was really easy, so convenient, and like such a smooth transaction. It was a great experience, honestly. Like I've only had good experiences with Neiman Marcus,
unlike Nordstrom. Not trying to be shady, but yes.
The reason why I actually decided to purchase these products is because I wanted to try like finding things that are basically luxury on a budget, or
luxury that is still affordable and reasonable. I mean, not everyone can afford like Prada, Gucci, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton every week or every month, or heck, there's some people that can only do it like once a year, and some people like once every 10 years, and others that can't even afford it at all. And so I'm thinking, like, you know, us all women, we all love handbags.
We all want to feel like special and splurge on something. So I have been on the hunt and trying to find things that will give us that like luxury vibe without breaking bank,
without costing an arm and a leg, because you know we all got bills to pay and not everybody is just. So I was on the Neiman Marcus website. I was just looking through the sales.
Saw multiple bags, but then what I would do is look at the brand, go to the website, see kind of what it's a little bit about, like who made it, the creative director, their mission, their values, and things like that. And some of them I wasn't really into, or I wasn't really feeling the vibe.
Want to invest or like buy pieces from brands that like I kind of feel the same vibe for.
Saw these two brands. It's Kooreloo or Kooreloo, I don't know how to pronounce it yet.
Also Ray Projects, and the only reason I found out it was Ray and not Ree is because I looked up who the owner is, and her name is Desiree. I'm hoping it's Desiree, but it's spelled like that, so I'm like, I guess it's Ray Projects because you know it came from her name. them into their dust bag containers. Kooreloo, I think it's really cool. It comes in this dust bag. I am gonna say, like, the dust bag broke really easily when I was trying to tie it up when I first unboxed it. It's what it is, but at least it's the dust bag and not the actual handbag. Here is the first one, the Kooreloo. And it's this cute little bag. It comes with its tag still, and you can see the price is $395, but I'm gonna put down in here what I actually paid for, including tax.
And it comes with a tag, and then this tag, it says, all our designs are handmade with delicate materials which require special care. Treat yours as an art object and will stay with you for good. Please visit our care advice page for more information.
I like to invest in handmade pieces because I feel like it's truly art. Never like exactly the same as another bag, even if it's the exact same color and exact same style. The way the person was feeling while making that bag is...
I have a thing for top handles. I don't know if it's just like me recently or right now. I just like being able to hold and also having the option as a crossbody. I like this aged gold hardware.
This is such a really cute, like chic and girly, but boho vibes.
So let's open it. If you open it, you see their brand name right in here, and then you see this is still covered with like plastic protector.
I have noticed with like, I think it's all their bags that will have this drawing into it, but I read about it and it's supposed to be like the goddess Athena. The director is like really inspired by Athena being like the goddess of wisdom. It's like a feminine empowerment, creativity type of vibe that I am really liking. It's pink, it's cute, it's me.
It's a pretty good. See? It's really cute.
The fact that I got it on sale is even better. This is the brand that I was actually more interested in because, oh gosh, I could already smell the leather. Oh, love it, love it. So look at the shape and the design.
This one is originally priced $925, but I got it on a huge discount.
This is the color blush, I believe, which is like a pinkish kind of nude. So me. Tell you a little bit of like what I read on the brand and why I was really interested.
I was intrigued by the shape and the designs, and so I was like, let me go read about it. And then I read that she's definitely all about like female empowerment, like helping increase access to jobs for women. I think like I read something about how there's a lot of unemployed women in other countries and just wants to bring awareness and help out.
She's not new to the game.
And I also like that she uses expensive materials and that it is Napa leather. Have that nice softness just like my Valentino.
It is a little bit stiff on the side, and I think it has to be like that because of the design of the bag. If it wasn't stiff on the side, then it would just kind of be flimsy and like it would not have structures. Her designs are very like geometric and not the usual shapes that you see.
This also is like a handle, and even though the handle is like this, you can actually adjust it and
pull it up if you want it higher, or you can pull it down or push it down and have it all the way flat.
So I love the versatility, and I love that it's gold. Anytime like gold tone with like nudes, gold tone just always gets me.
But I don't feel like the magnet's all that strong. And you get this if you want to use it with straps. You have a lot of compartments. There's also this zipped one. The Kooreloo is made in Greece. This one is Italy. This is what it looks like as far as the size.
So you have an option. You could do it like this, or you could just hold it this way.
And then you can also have it as a crossbody.
I did reach out to Ray Projects and email them because at least with the Kooreloo, I got some form of card that says like this is authentic and it's real, and this one didn't have any, and I was just like, I decided to email them out of curiosity to say like, hey, do you guys add like some form of card or anything like that that says it's authentic? And they're like, oh no, we usually don't, but since you got it at Neiman Marcus, it's an official retailer, it's for sure like it's real. And it's not one of the brands anyways that are gonna have knockoffs. Let's be honest, like it's not popular. Like brands that aren't popular, even the ones that we know about, like don't necessarily have authentication cards.
It is true that it adds a little bit of that experience and that exclusivity, and like it's something that we like as women. So I just wanted to know out of curiosity from them, and they asked me as well, they're like, oh, is that something that adds value in your opinion to like the bag, like makes you feel better when there's a card? And I was like, yeah, honestly, just because
it just adds on to the whole experience. And I know even if this isn't like a popular brand, I would have loved some form of like paper that says, yes, this is authentic from Italy and blah blah blah, you know.
I'm so excited to start using them. They feel very sturdy.
I hope that you guys will give them a try as well. Research into them.
And I know Ray Projects is like also very into the environment.
Have you tried anything from them? Do you have any reviews? Like, what are you thinking as far as like these brands so far? Do they hold up well?
I'm gonna do reviews later on down the line. I can like really give a full thoughts on if I like it or not, if I think it's worth it. But as of right now, I can't say like yes, 10 out of 10, definitely get it. But I think they're awesome brands that I would definitely check out and try if I were you. If you have any questions, comment it down below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you for some more.